You've heard a lot of people say that becoming successful on YouTube is becoming increasingly harder just because of the fact that YouTube's such a big thing now that a lot of people are trying to make that their career. So there are a lot more people making videos, being on YouTube themselves. So how can you become successful on YouTube if you're starting from scratch right away? In this video, we go through 10 easy steps on how to achieve YouTube success. My name's Stephen Titchener, and let's get into the video. So step number 1 is to know what you want to achieve from your YouTube channel. Is it conversions? Is it engagement? Is it just plain views? So these are the things you need to consider when generating your YouTube channel. Once you've decided what your target is that you want to get out of YouTube, then you can start to create content around that target to help maximize your potential success. Step number 2 is to know what's popular. Go out onto YouTube, have a look at your competitors, have a look at other YouTube channels that are creating content, see what works well for them and see what is not going well for them, and then look at the opportunities that you've got within those two bands. Step 3 are keywords. YouTube is a search engine like any other, Google, Bing, whatever it is you do your searching through. So you need to make sure you're looking at keywords and seeing what people are searching for at the moment. We actually use TubeBuddy to help with this, and also Ubersuggest, which is a great tool from Neil Patel, which helps you find those keywords and see how easy they are to rank for. Step 4 is to make a great video. Make it engaging, make it informative, bring value to your customer, or your viewer in this case. So without an engaging video, without a great video, people aren't going to want to watch it, and so you're not going to get anything out of the effort you've put into it. Step 5 is don't forget the little details. So you've got this amazing video, you've targeted to certain keywords that you know people are looking for, so now you need to make sure you're getting those keywords into your title, into your meta description, into the YouTube description itself, into the tags for the video. You need to make sure all these little things are in place so that more people are going to see the video organically. Step 6 is to make your channel attractive. It's not all about the video itself. People will also go and see your channel. You might direct people directly to your channel, and you need to make sure this is a great space, it's branded, make sure it looks great, and make sure you've optimized everything within your channel, whether that's building playlists, whether that's optimizing the About section on your channel, or the recommended channels. These are all the little elements that you need to make sure are in place to bring the best YouTube success. Step 7, call to action. So while we're at it, don't forget to subscribe down below, and that way you can keep up to date with all the other videos we're doing. That's an example of a call to action, and these you need to put in place throughout every video you do to make sure people are subscribing, to make sure they can see more of the content you're creating. Step 8 is to share. Make sure you're sharing your video everywhere, whether that's your social media channels, your email lists, just directly to your friends and family. The first 24 hours of a YouTube video is the most important time for your video. You need to make sure you're getting views, comments, likes on your video to make sure it's boosted up the rankings. It just shows YouTube and Google that this video brings value to people and people are going to want to see this. To help even more with the reach, you go on to step 9, and that's to collaborate with others. So if there's another YouTuber that you really like, try and reach out to them and get a collaboration with them. This way there's going to be more reach for your channel because they're going to link back to your channel, maybe link back to your videos, and it just builds a nice community up. So you're reaching people that you might not have reached before through their channel. And the final step 10 is just to keep consistent. Make sure you're posting at least once a week, and anything else on top of that is a bonus. But make sure you're telling people when you're going to post. So I post every Wednesday, and that way people are going to know when to expect your video to come out. They might even go searching for it if you're posting at a regular day on a regular time. That's it for this video. I hope you've learned some great tips that you can bring into your YouTube channel to bring you the great success. And let me know down in the comments below what your channel is, and I'll give it a look and see what I think.